Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering transcripts, video clips, and an outline so Notebooklm has context. This speeds retrieval and reduces noise. Once your assets are organized in one folder and named by topic and timecode, open Notebooklm and create a new notebook. Then import the folder, drag and drop or use upload, so Notebooklm can index text and metadata. Make sure to include a short project brief in the notebook front page. That gives the model intent and helps generate focused video scripts and timestamps. Now you build the actual workflow. Craft prompts that ask for a hook, main points, and a call to action with specific length and tone. Once done, query Notebooklm to extract exact timestamps, quotable lines, and suggested B-roll cues from your transcripts. Make sure to ask for multiple phrasing options and headline variations so you can /B test. As you iterate, refine prompts to control pacing and emphasis. This reduces manual editing and produces consistent, publish-ready segments. Finish by exporting the script, timestamp shot list, and B-roll notes. Choose TXT or Markdown for compatibility. You then import those files into your video editor and assemble a rough cut using the timestamps as edit markers. Make sure to replace placeholder lines with recorded VO and adjust pacing. If the notebook output misaligns with footage, rerun targeted queries, attach the specific clip or timestamp, and give clarifying context. That usually fixes mismatches quickly, without redoing the whole workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.